In this video, we will talk about how to be a highly profitable JV broker. JV brokers are people who contact other JV partners to promote a launch for a pre-negotiated percentage of the profits earned by the vendor. Normally, the vendor pays 10% or more to the JV broker for each JV partner the broker brings in. Of course, if the JV partners the broker brings in do not make any money, the broker makes no money off them. The first thing you need to do to become a highly profitable JV broker is that you need to have a big mailing list of JV partners. Make sure you scout out offers that are really lucrative and has a very high quality. If you ask someone else to promote a bad product, over time, your trust with your JV partners will erode. As a good JV broker, you must be very careful not to pull in JV partners who are in direct competition with each other, especially if they are both launching the same type of product within the launch period. Make your terms and conditions with the vendor very clear. It is possible that when other JV brokers see you recruiting JV partners, they might hijack your JV partners for themselves, causing you to lose your Tier 2 commissions. Remember the golden rule. Trust is everything, and the speed of trust is faster than anything else in the business world. There you have it. Now go out and get involved with JV partners.